checking out the market. Bitcoin, boom. We've had a massive move out of Bitcoin, which is was expected if we were to break this trend line. So this rising wedge has broken to the top side, which does not happen very often. It's more of a 68% chance that it should break to the downside, but she's broken to the upside with all of the uncertainty and everyone wanting to see Bitcoin go up. We have broken to the top side, so it's good. The bulls have pushed it higher. Now, if we want to look at this where it should have ran to breaking up, so you look at the flagpole here, and then it runs across here, and you flagpole it out. So it's come up a little bit further than probably where it should. So that's a pretty good pump. That's a very good pump on the 4-hourly. It's all coming. So the 4-hourly is starting to roll over. We can see that the RSI is starting to roll over. The histogram is starting to roll over as well. We've got the MACD probably coming back down, and we've also got Stotch rolling over. So everything's pretty overbought on the 4-hourly. You can see on the 1-hourly of Bitcoin is starting to form a little double top. So this could be a short pullback. It could pull back anywhere, like when you have pumps like this we did today, there's not a heap of support through here, as you can see on the 4-hourly. It's just pump, 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 pump. So we'd have to go to a larger time frame to see where our support's going to be. Down onto the 1-hourly, you probably got a little bit of support here at 1500, and it's also going to be a psychological support as well. And probably seen a bit here too, 14.5-ish, somewhere there. You can see here that it come down and touched here and then pushed back up. So you're probably thinking here somewhere as well. And then obviously what we were on down here, and that trend line, which is probably still valid, I suppose, coming down through here, which is probably going to be around 1400. So they're all pretty good psychological levels as well. Got to watch this double top as well as MACD cross. You've got histogram flowing down, and you've also got the RSI flowing down ways as well. Jumping over to the daily chart though, we've made a serious break up, and it'd be damn nice to see 16,000 be broken and held. So there's a lot of buyers there at that 16,000 mark, which is to be expected. Like, you got to have buyers there and sellers, and you're going to have a lot of sellers around here because people are starting to, who have been in since 2017, who bought this hype right here, starting to get close to their money, if they're still in, close to their money and wanting to get their money out. So maybe they've uh, lost a bit of interest in the crypto market because they've had this massive downturn and then didn't get there, and then another massive downturn, and then we're back up here. So they're probably taking their losses, which aren't so bad right now as well. So you got to have that in mind. The double bottom here, as you can see, is still in place, and if you just pull that, we'll just pull it to there, which is taking it probably pretty easy, and we will put it to there. So our double bottom scenario on the weekly chart, which is the big chart, uh, will get us up to around 21,000, which also would give us an all-time high. Very parabolic, very parabolic. But you can see here it's starting to run up, run up, run up. You can see here we got a serious run up here as well, a parabolic run up. So this could all happen in the next couple of weeks. You don't really know. This could happen. You just need to keep you cool and make sure that you have some time in and some time out as well. So your pullbacks are going to be pretty nice. So that's 50 days roughly from down here, 7,000, all the way up to here. So who knows where we could be in 50 days. Now, there is going to be a couple of pullbacks. When you're pumping 10% in a day or even more, then there's definitely going to be pullbacks. with Bitcoin and the altcoins as well. It could be healthy for the altcoins to pull back a little bit for Bitcoin, and then the altcoins can breathe and have a bit of a pump. Everything's probably been going okay compared to the USD over the last day or so, because the USD's been hammered. So let's have a quick look at dominance. Come all the way around here, got this parabolic rise, and we're hitting resistance again. So if this comes back down here, which would be really nice, then we can probably see some good runs out of the altcoins. It'd be really good to see. Ethereum is looking the same. It's got this weird double top on the hourly, but on the 4 hourly, it's kind of forming wants to form a bit of a bull flag, but we'll see how we go. There's a good chance that it could come back down, test here again, it'll probably test that the 420 mark, definitely. Not a bad little spot to hop in, maybe. Do your own research, of course. And everything's overbought, so be careful there as well, entering right now. We have this here, big double bottom on the altcoin market cap as well, so you could call that a double bottom. This is on the 4 hourly. If we bust above here, it'd be pretty nice for the alts. They'll go for a good run. We have a look at the dollar, what's been happening. So Bitcoin's been going up as the dollar's been going down, as well as the S&P 500 or traditional markets have been coming back up as well. So they've done pretty well over the last couple of days, as you can see. There's a good 8.5% there. All right. If you like what I'm doing and you think it's all right, give us a like and a comment and subscribe. Thanks.